Welcome to J Has Heart.
Excuse me. I gotta get to the front. Okay, this is my way. I'm here. Hello. My name is Michelle. Hello. Hi, friend. Hi, friends. My name is Michelle. Okay, excuse me. It's my turn. I'm here to talk about bullying. Yep, that word up there, bullying. Bullying is a major topic in my life. I've been bullied from the time I came into pre-K. And now I'm still in pre-K. But I've been bullied a lot, and I want to talk about bullying. Now, bullying means to hurt or scare anyone by hitting or teasing them. Again, bullying means to hurt or scare anybody by hitting or teasing them. I'm definitely someone who's been bullied before, and I still get bullied. Can you believe it, friend? Can you believe it? Across America, 1 out of every 3 kindergartners, first graders, second graders are bullied. 1 out of every 3. So if I'm bullied, that means he's not bullied, she's not bullied, but this person is. He is not bullied, he's not bullied, but she is over there. 1 out of every 3. And I bet you 1 out of every 3 of you looking at me right now has been bullied. Really sucks. I want to go ahead and talk about the 3 types of bullying. The first type, it's called verbal bullying. And that means when someone is teasing, name calling, or threatening you. I've been teased before. They've called names on me before. And it hurts. I've been teased about my hair. I've been teased about the way I look. It really hurts. Name calling hurts. Verbal bullying hurts. I want to talk about the second type of bullying, and that is physical bullying. Now, physical bullying means hitting, tripping, or pulling hair. Did you know that my hair was pulled before? It really hurt. I can't believe this girl, she was so mean. She came up to me and just pulled my hair and said, "Hey, you said Michelle or Melissa?" And I was like, "It's Michelle." The third type of bullying, it's called social. And social bullying means to tell a friend or a bunch of friends not to be friends with someone else. One of my friends down here, he came up to me and he told me one day that the other friends in pre-K, they all said not to be friends with him. And I was like, why? Why would they say that to you? And they're like, he said they were socially bullying me. And we cried about it. Do you remember? Friends, verbal, physical, and social bullying hurts. It really hurts. And I'm here to tell you that we need to stop it today. We need to say that bullying stops now. Won't you join me? Won't you join me and my friends in saying that? Okay, that's my time. Thank you so much. Bye.